For years, the OneCMS App Manager has reliably powered your apps. But as we added more powerful features, we realized it was time to evolve. We didn't just want an update. We reimagined the entire experience to better support your growth. Welcome to the new OneCMS App Manager. We've rebuilt it from the ground up with a focus on usability. We wanted clear labeling and intuitive navigation, so your team knows exactly what they are changing and exactly how it affects the user. When you first enter the App Manager, you'll land in the App Features tab. This is where you control which features are active and enabled on your app. We'll come back to this tab towards the end of the video. We've adopted a streamlined two-tier navigation. The main tabs indicate your high-level focus, like design or monetization, while the sub-tabs directly below let you drill down into the details, ensuring you always know exactly where to find what you need. Let's start in Design and Branding. In the Appearance sub-tab, you control the global theme of your app. Switch between light and dark mode, or adjust your primary brand colors. Notice the phone on the right? That is a real-time preview. As you adjust your color scheme, you see exactly how the app will look to your users. Moving over to Branding and Identity, you can control your logos, slogans, contact information, and location, which is used for weather forecasts and other location-based features of your app. In bottom nav tabs, you have total control over your primary navigation. You can direct users to any part of the app, like your podcasts, shows, or group chat, while fully customizing the icons and text labels. But you aren't limited to just app content. You can now create custom tabs for external URLs on the fly, which is perfect for sponsors, contests, or special events. You can even set these to open in an in-app browser, keeping your users inside your ecosystem even when they're viewing third-party content. Under Splash Screen, you control that first impression your audience gets when they open your app. A huge addition here is the new live preview. You can now construct your splash screen and see exactly how it looks instantly. Perfect for screenshotting sponsor imagery for approval before it ever goes live. You can also make the screen interactive by adding action buttons for a sponsor link or studio hotline. Enable splash audio for a branding jingle, and even tag a custom event to track every launch in Google Analytics. In Post and Page Display, you define the reading experience for your content. Choose native sections for maximum speed or full web view if you rely on complex scripts or shortcodes. The new live preview lets you audit these layouts instantly before you publish. You have granular control here. Toggle your featured images, decide which metadata to show, like author or category, and enable related content to keep users clicking deeper into your stories. Finally, the Social Media tab manages your home screen icons. You can hide or align them, and adding networks is automatic. Simply paste a profile link, and the icon instantly pops into the preview. Let's move on to the Home Screen tab. This is the most critical real estate in your app. It's the front door where every user lands. So configuring it to match your content strategy is key. We start with breaking news and alerts. This allows you to pin urgent information to a banner at the very top of the screen. You can customize the label text, choose exactly which category triggers the alert, and set a background color that demands attention. Next is the Home slider, your app's marquee feature designed to grab attention immediately. Start by selecting the category you want to populate the slider, then choose your layout. Go with the Mega Carousel for a traditional swipeable look, or Hero Plus Carousel to feature one big story at the top with a slider underneath. You can fine-tune the metadata that displays on the slider, like the post title or category. And a neat detail, whichever slider you choose immediately updates the phone preview back in the Design tab, so you always know exactly how your home screen layout affects the user. For broadcasters, the Live Video Stream tab is a game changer. It allows you to feature a YouTube or Twitch broadcast directly on your app's home screen. Once you set up your feed in the Stream Manager, simply select it from the list here. This feature is smart. It dynamically appears only when you are actually live, ensuring your home screen remains uncluttered whenever you are offline. The Video Embed settings allow you to display a custom video player directly on your app's home screen, positioned just below the home slider. This feature is perfect for featuring content from third-party providers that offer embed codes. Then there is the Stream Carousel. This creates a unified display for all your station's media. It aggregates every active audio and video stream into a single, swipeable carousel on the home screen, giving your audience visual, one-tap access to everything you broadcast. The Content Sections tab is where you curate the main content experience for your app users. You can configure up to 5 distinct content sections on your app's home screen to highlight news, podcasts, entertainment, or specific categories from your website. Moving on to the Streams tab. Think of this as your central dashboard for monitoring media. Unlike other tabs, there are no settings to configure here. Instead, it gives you a high-level overview of your setup. You can see every available audio and video stream, allowing you to quickly verify what's live and functioning without ever leaving the App Manager. Next up is the Monetization tab. We know generating revenue is a top priority, so we've centralized every ad capability, from Google Ad Manager to video pre-rolls, into this single hub, giving you total control over your revenue strategy. First is Ad Banners, where you configure your display ads. We support direct integration with Google Ad Manager, or you can use our built-in OneCMS banner platform for internal campaigns. Simply select your provider, plug in your ad unit IDs or banner bins, and you're ready to serve ads. Then, we have audio and video ads. This is where you configure pre-rolls for your streams and podcasts, with full support for VAST via Google Ad Manager or OneCMS Video. You can set specific triggers, like playing an ad when a user opens a push notification, and even enable interstitial fallbacks to traffic a display ad if no audio or video is available. Next is Native Ads. This displays recommended content widgets from providers like Taboola or Outbrain directly below your articles. It's an excellent way to increase engagement and monetize simultaneously. Just paste in your embed code, and you are ready to go. Next is App Open Ads, a high-impact full-screen format that triggers the moment a user launches your app. This feature is exclusive to Google Ad Manager. Simply enter your ad unit ID here. You can reuse the same ID from your display banners, or use a dedicated one if you prefer to keep your trafficking separate. Finally, the promotional graphic lets you display a custom banner on your home screen. It's perfect for driving traffic to VIP signups or contests. Just keep in mind, this tool is for visibility only. We do not collect click stats on these graphics. In text and labels, you can align the app's terminology with your brand's unique voice. Instead of generic terms, you can rename almost any text label to match your brand style. Simply type your text replacement next to the default term, and it will be used across the app. Let's move on to the Links and Privacy tab. The Custom Links section lets you add specific content to the More menu of your app. This is ideal for incorporating external websites, linking to contest rules, privacy policies, and ensuring vital resources are always accessible to your audience. Finally, the Catch Privacy tab allows you to integrate directly with the Catch data privacy platform. This automates compliance with global regulations like GDPR and CCPA. By connecting your account here, you ensure your audience's data preferences are respected and your app remains fully compliant. Finally, let's circle back to where we started. The App Features tab. Think of this as the master switchboard for your application. You land immediately on the Active Features view. These cards represent everything currently live on your app, organized into categories like media or user engagement, so you can quickly identify exactly what is running. To configure a specific feature, like your galleries, simply click its card. This takes you directly to that feature's dedicated settings page. On the right, you'll find the full library of available modules. The status indicators make it easy to audit your app. A green dot means the feature is live. No dot means it's available but currently disabled. Watch how easy it is to add functionality. We'll select the app rating prompt. Flip the switch to enable it, and save. Notice that it now has a green dot in the menu. It's live instantly. And if you don't want to scroll through all the features to find the one you are looking for, just use the search bar to find specific modules by name in seconds. And that is the new OneCMS App Manager. We've stripped away the complexity to give you a tool that is cleaner, faster, and easier to navigate. From design to monetization, you now have total confidence that when you change a setting, you know exactly how it affects your users. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.